Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on my chair. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my personal experience having used this chair for a little over a year now. Let you know what I thought about it. Should mention too, I actually found a pretty good deal on this chair, and I'll put a link to that in the description so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So just a little bit of background on my chair search, I guess as you could call it. I tried a ton of different chairs. The first one I tried was the Herman Miller Aran. Did not like it at all. I'm really surprised that people recommend this chair so highly. I found that it wasn't very comfortable, for one, sitting on the real taut mesh all the time. Second, it tended to start to sag in the middle not long after I got it, and it kind of made pressure points on like the middle of your legs where the front lip was, and I just was not nuts about it. So I kind of checked out a lot of different chairs, settled on the Mia, and I'm extremely happy with it. I guess if you want the short version of this review, I think it's one of the best chairs out there for the money. The nice thing about this chair is you're getting a chair for well under $1,000. Most of their chairs are above the $1,000 price point, and in my opinion, this is the kind of sweet spot for the money as far as in terms of overall comfort, quality, and price. Comes in a ton of different colors, probably 20 or 30 different colors. Mine is the standard black one, of course. But here's what I like about it. One, the seat, which is really, aside from the ergonomics on your back, the most important thing. The seat itself is extremely comfortable. Steelcase have been in business for a really long time. They're made in the USA. They're made in Grand Rapids, Michigan, if you're not familiar with the company. The fabrics and the foam that they use on the seat on this one are excellent. They do not crush down. They're extremely thick. They literally, first of all, they warranty this chair for 10 years. So it's at least going to last you 10 years, but from the reviews and stuff that I've read on these when I was picking up, these will last a lifetime, literally decades. You'll never really have to replace the foam or anything on the chair itself. Keep in mind that my line of work, I'm at the computer probably close to 12 hours a day. So I'm always on the computer sitting in this chair, and if you're anything like that where you're on the computer for a long time, get yourself a good chair. Yeah, it costs a little bit of money up front, but my reasoning behind the whole thing was, well, I could spend a few $100s on a really good quality chair now, or spend thousands and thousands of dollars later on in life for chiropractic work or back surgery or something like that. And who really wants to go through all that anyway? It's so important to have a good seating surface if you spend a lot of time sitting down. Okay, so the seat's really good. The back support ergonomics are excellent. They're adjustable. It does have an adjustable lumbar support, and it really holds a really good, comfortable seating position that makes it easy on your back to withstand long seating amounts. It's very adjustable, this chair, but not annoyingly so. Like there's like 20 different adjustments that you have to get right. That's not the case with this chair. It's basic in that sense. That there's maybe only I think there's only 3 or 4 adjustments, but it's all you need, nothing you don't. The seat adjusts, the tilt adjusts back and forward, it adjusts, the backrest obviously adjusts, and then the arms adjust. The adjustment on the arms I like a lot too. You can push them out, you can push them in, you can angle them in, you can angle them out, you can push them forward, and you can push them backwards. So you can really get the perfect position. And what's nice, because I have a corner desk that kind of has it's like a 90-degree angle on it, I found a lot of arms don't work well with it because they're always running into the desk. The nice thing about this one is I can get the arms in the perfect position that support my elbows while I'm using my mouse and keyboard on the desk itself. But yeah, really like this chair. Highly recommend it. If you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.